I'm back. Update on the thunderstorms, I guess. It's currently raining, and so you can probably see there's more thunderstorm development going on over there. And then I'm underneath a giant one. You might have heard some thunder earlier, but I'm covering my phone with my hand because I don't want to get it wet. But update. Oh, there's a car coming. Hi. Oh, that was loud. That was loud. But yeah, I'm surrounded by thunderstorms. Sorry. We got a lot of stuff happening. Hey, little moth, how you doing? And we got, like I said earlier, we got some more thunderstorm development all over me. Like I said in my last video, that I'm surrounded by thunderstorms. It's just calming down now. The rain is just about to stop, I'm guessing. It's not raining as hard as it was like 2 minutes ago. We got whatever that is right there, whatever that is over there. Is it a cyclone? I don't know. Yeah. So that's that. We got another maturing thunderstorm in front of me. Nice. Very nice. Very nice, isn't it? Yeah, I'm probably gonna go soon. And it just officially stopped raining. There's no more rain. I don't have to cover my phone anymore. But yeah. Oh, more thunder. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna head out now. Bye, everyone.